Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zuhair bin Rizwan. My message number is 2023678424.
Hi, my name is Nurana Nabila binti Muhammad Zanuddin.
Asha, do you know what?
What?
Hi, I am Farah Diana binti Maufazi.
Hello, my name is Nurul Natasha Ilha binti Ismail.
So today we are going to present our
Hotel booking system.
Upaya Luxury Hotel Pakar Booking System will provide the customer with different type of room, which is our package. Our package in system is single package, luxury package and deluxe package. Tax and discount will be applied in the system. We will also provide additional services, which is honeymoon, spa, massage and sauna to anyone who wants it. And we will charge for this. Customer can pay with cash and online banking. The customer needed to set the check-in date and the check-it out, and the customer will be provided the receipt. So customer will know the number of room when they come to the hotel physically. By creating this system, user may save a great deal of time and make more informed decision.
Now, we move to system objective, which means what is the objective of making this hotel booking system? There are 5 objectives. First, record guest booking details. Second is set check-in and check-out date. Third is calculate the amount of discount. Fourth, calculate the amount of tax. And lastly, calculate the total amount of the order.
I will explain the flowchart, which is general flowchart first. First, start. Next, display welcome message. Next, display menu. If the user choose one, it will display package. If the user choose two, it will display enter package choice. Next, enter user info such as name, check-in date and check-out date. Next, enter user info, which is IC number. Then, the function will read I, which is I equal to 0. The user need to put IC number less than 14. Next, the function will read dash, which is at 6 and 9. If the user do not follow the format, it will display invalid and the user need to repeat the step again. After that, enter user info phone number. Then, the function will read I, which is I equal to 0. The user need to put phone number less than 12. Then, the function will read dash, which is at third. If the user do not follow the format, it will display invalid and the user need to repeat the step again. Then, calculate days and room cost. Then, the user need to select additional service. If the user choose one, which is honeymoon, for 100 ringgit. If the user choose two, which is spa, for 80 ringgit. If the user choose three, which is massage, for 120 ringgit. If the user choose four, which is sauna, 90 ringgit. If the user choose five, is for 9. Then, if the user put other than that, it will display invalid choice. Then calculate total amount, discount and tax. Then display booking details. Next, display amount details. Then payment method. If the user put 1, means the user choose cash. If the user choose 2, means the user choose online banking. If the user put other than that, it will display invalid choice. If the user want to make another booking, the user will repeat the same step again. If the user do not want to make another booking, the user choose 3 and display exit message. And lastly, and next, calculate tax function. Firstly, start. Next, receive subtotal as input and then calculate text function, which is subtotal multiplied by 0.06. Then return text. Lastly, and
I will present about the calculation discount function. First is type. Next, we will receive subtotal as input. Next, we will calculate the discount. Calculate discount equal to subtotal multiplied by 0.1. Next is return discount. Lastly is end.
This is a function for IC number. We use loop in this function. First of all, the function will read I. When the input of I is equals to 0, the decision of I is less than 14. The statement I is equals to 0 is true. When the statement is true, it can input in IC number, and there is pre-increment of I, so that the value of I will increase from 0 to 1 until the value of I is equals to 14 or more than 14. The process of loop will stop and the statement will be false. When the statement is false, the function will read the symbol of dash. When the decision of symbol of dash at 6 and 9, when the statement is true, it can input in IC number and the function will display user IC number. So if the decision is false, the function will display invalid input.
Next, the function for phone number. The system will read I, which is I equal to 0. If the user enter the phone number less than 12 digit, the system will be proceed to the next process, which is dash at 8. And if the user follow all the terms, the system will ask the user to enter the phone number and vice versa. If the user unfollow the order, the system will invalid and the user must re-enter the phone number correctly. And the last flowchart function we use for payment method, whether the user wanted to pay the booking through cash or online banking. If the user choose one, means the system will directly display the payment method, which is cash. Same goes to payment method online banking. If the user choose two, means the system will directly display the payment method, which is online banking. And if the user doesn't choose any, so the system will go to invalid choice and the system will end.
This is for coding part. In this part, I will explain the function that we use, the array that we use, and the loop that we use. First of all, I will explain the function that we use in our hotel booking system. First, we use integer display menu. Second, we use void display package. In this function, we use array, do loop, and switch for selection. I will explain do loop first. When do declare choice is equals to display menu, the function for display menu will be called and user can see the menu in the system. When the user choose incorrect choice, for example, the user choose 4, the function will be returned into choice until the user choose correct choice. When the user choose the correct choice, switch will declare choice. If the user choose 1, the function for display package will be called and the user can see the package that available in our hotel. If the user choose 2, the user can booking room. In this case, we use array. We use array for store the room package that available in our hotel. If the package choice is less than 0 or the package choice more than or equals to 3, the system will state invalid room package enter and the system will go back to the main menu until the user choose the correct package choice, which means 1, 2 or 3. Then the system will show enter your name. Then we use function bool validate phone number and function bool validate IC number. Both function is used for phone number format and IC number format respectively. In this function, we use do while loop. I will explain about it. When do statement is enter your IC number, if the user input invalid IC number, the function will display invalid IC number format. Please enter again. And while will be declare invalid IC number until the user input the valid IC number. When the user input valid IC number, the program will go into the next loop. When do statement is enter your phone number, if the user input invalid phone number, the function will display invalid phone number format. Please enter again, and while we will declare invalid phone number until the user put the valid phone number. Then the program will continue by enter check-in date and check-out date. Then we go to calculation process. In this calculation, we have array and function. Function we have two, which are double calculate tax and double calculate discount. This function is used for tax rate constant and discount rate constant. For array, we use for store room package, room prices, additional prices, and additional services. To find room cost is equals to days times with room price. Then the system will ask the user, do you want to select additional service? 1 for honeymoon, 2 for spa, 3 for massage, 4 for sauna, 5 for none. If additional services choice is more than or equals to 1 and additional services choice is less than or equals to 4, we can find the selected service cost. Else, the user put incorrect choice, the system will display invalid additional service choice, no additional service selected. Then, other services cost is equals to selected service cost. Then, we can find subtotal is equals to room cost plus with other service cost. Then, we can find tax amount is equals to calculate tax times with subtotal, and we can find the discount amount is equals to calculate discount times with subtotal. Then we can find the total amount of booking is equals to subtotal plus tax amount minus discount amount. Then we use function void payment. In this function, we use while loop and two-way selection. When while declared true, the statement is enter payment method 1 for cash, 2 for online pay-in. If the user choose 1, the function will display you choose cash and the loop will be break because of the valid choice. As if the user choose 2, the same goes to payment method 1. The loop will break. Else the user choose other than 1 and 2, the function will display invalid choice. Please enter 1 for cash or 2 for online paying until the user choose the correct payment method. And the upper payment details will be total amount and tax amount. Then the system will ask the user, do you want to make another booking? Yes or no? If yes, the user return to booking loop. If no, the user exit the booking loop and the user can exiting the program by choose 3. If the user choose incorrect choice, the system will display invalid input. Please enter a valid option.
Welcome to the Empire Luxury Hotel booking. Please choose an option 1 for display package, 2 for booking room, and 3 for exit program. This is the package that available. Please choose an option 2 for booking room. Enter room package 1 for single, 2 for luxury, 3 for deluxe. Enter your name. Enter your IC number. Enter your phone number. Enter check-in date. Enter check-out date. Select the additional service 1 for honeymoon, 2 for spa, 3 for massage, 4 for sauna, and 5 for none. This is the booking details. Enter payment method 1 for cash, 2 for online banking. This is the amount details. Do you want to make another booking? Yes if you want, no if you don't want. Please choose an option 3 to exit program.
In conclusion, the Empire Luxury Hotel Pakar Booking System is a crucial advancement in hospitality, enhancing convenience, efficiency, and customer service. With online bookings, diverse room package, additional service and multiple payment methods, it ensures a seamless guest experience. The system optimizes room availability and reduces overbooking risk, boosting the hotel's competitiveness and appeal in Terengganu.